Alright, finally. So we got parts here finally. Flywheel for a 5.7 that's going to be mated up to a 4L80. Yeah, that goes right there like that. I got some stuff cleaned up here. I got an intake manifold gasket done. I had a pipe fitting for the heater done. All gaskets, new gaskets everywhere. Power steering pulley pump done on there. All the brackets done on there. So it's ready to go in as it is right now. Fresh, all that fresh right there. Only thing we got to do next is get the whole drivetrain together, which I do have now. I got the transmission in the trunk, torque converter in the trunk. Then we can come over here and start putting the action, start putting everything to work. I feel better finally. I got like a pound of mucus coming out of my freaking body every day. Yeah, I guess I need some motor mounts. So I get those put in. I need a front diff actuator, but that's fine. And then we can start putting everything in there. It's warm. It's been warm the past couple of days, so I can actually get stuff done out here. And then I'll hopefully have my 4L80 two-door Tahoe done. The 4L80 nickel and dimed me a little bit more than what I wanted as far as parts and pieces and yada yada yada, and I had to buy a new case. So, you know, there's that. Whew. That fresh. Yo, quit making noise. That fresh. Yo, y'all can have your date somewhere else. There you go have your date somewhere else. Upgraded steels, upgraded clutches, shift kit, 4L80 going in the two-door. That's all done. I got the new torque converter. That's all ready to go. And I got my transfer case here ready to go. You can see it, I got it all sealed up, put together, got the new input shaft in it. I need to get a new seal, which I'm gonna go get right now. So if you're new here, this is going in the two-door Tahoe. This is a 4L80 swap from a 4L60. It's 4x4, so it's a little bit more involved than your typical two-wheel drive 60 to 80 conversion. But yeah, check it out. We got more stuff to come. This is I'm just being nickel and dimed right now a little bit more than what I wanted to with miscellaneous parts and stuff like that. Where is the other seal that I gotta go get? Anyways, I gotta go pick something up and go from there. This is gonna go in soon. I'm gonna put the transfer case and trans, I'm gonna mate them up. I just need to go get the correct seal and go from there. Alright, nobody has the seal that I need, so I hope this seal doesn't leak. It's always confusing for a transfer case adapter seal, which exactly what I'm gonna need. Anyways, because the one that came out of it is round, but the one that came in the kit is square. This is for a 4L60 and it works. Anyways, kind of a good thing I went looking for the seal, because the next thing that I'm gonna do that you're gonna be looking out for in the next video is me. Shh! Stop it! Is me doing a the 411 swap and the whole wire harness swap. You gotta get it tuned over. If you're not familiar with it, it's pretty much putting the newer GM LS style computer into in place of the black box, which a lot of OBS trucks have, and you can have that control everything on it. I'm gonna do a 4L80 swap. Instead of programming the black box, I'm just gonna put a newer GM LS computer in it, load the factory tune, which came in like Chevy Express vans in 2001, that came with a 5.7 and a 4L80. Load that factory base tune, delete the ATS,
do some other magic in the background to make the engine, you know, breathe a little bit easier. You know what I'm saying? And go from there. I actually found a guy, met a guy at O'Reilly's. I'm gonna go probably check out his shop sometime, probably next week or so, once I get everything up and going, because he actually specializes in OBS stuff. And who knows? He sounds pretty legit. He said he even did an 8L90 swap in OBS with an LT. So I'll believe it with my own eyes once I see it. And he's gonna hook it up. He's not really gonna charge an arm and a leg like most people out here for tunes and everything. So hey, I may not have gotten the right seal, but I may have gotten plugged in with someone really cool that's gonna potentially do some really good work. The dryer is working finally. I know you guys don't care about that. But yeah, that's that. Transfer case is done, all put together, spline, sealed, everything. Trans here, ready to go. It is cold as balls outside, so I'm not going to be working outside. That is a downside of doing this project stuff, and I don't really have room in the garage to do it. That's a whole nother story. But yeah, keep on the lookout. I'll be having more videos. If you're new, so we got a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna do a detailed video on how much it actually costs to get a 4L80 swap done and easy, and get it done the right way. And also how much, you know, I'll pretty much just put it up out there how much I actually spent on doing it. I'll tell you right now that a local shop around here, and me providing a 4L80, they're like, it's probably gonna run you between $2,200 to $2,400. I didn't spend that much to get a built 4L80. I had luckily enough, I had a few connections, but gotta get everything going, put in there first, and then we can go from there. So I'll see you guys in another video.